Welcome back to a new week. Today, we're going to be learning about how exposing yourself to sunlight can help you lose weight. When you go outside and get exposed to sunlight, your body makes something called as a melanocyte stimulating hormone, or MSH. This is what makes people get a tan. However, a few people know that MSH can also decrease appetite. MSH has a unique ability to break down photons from sunlight into energy in the human body. Yes, we do have a photosynthesis mechanism like that. And when you get a lot of this photosynthesis mechanism activated, you have more energy. Thereby, you don't require so much of energy from food and you lose some weight. The next is vitamin D. Do you know that vitamin D deficiency is a common factor in obese individuals and individuals with metabolic syndrome? In many parts of the world, people are known to gain weight in the winter season. And one of the reasons why people gain that kind of weight is due to the lack of sunlight available and the lack of vitamin D. Our bodies are unique and have a unique receptor which is called UVB receptor in the skin, through which we convert UVB from sunlight into vitamin D3. During winter, there is less UVB spectrum of energy available from the sun. Therefore, we reduce our conversion of vitamin D, and that influences our weight. One of the other reasons why people get less sunlight is because people stay indoors quite a bit. Our modern and digital lifestyle allows us to spend countless hours indoor without the need for getting out. Guess what happens when you're staying indoor for long amounts of time? The quality of air changes. We breathe more carbon dioxide. I was surprised to find out that with world obesity, CO2 concentrations in the air have increased nearly by 40%. When we inhale an increased concentration of CO2 from the air in our offices, it decreases the pH level of our blood, extending the effects to the cerebrospinal fluid, which then enters the brain. Brain cells are very sensitive to this change in pH levels, and this increases the acidic load, leading to increase in appetite, energy intake, and that reduces your energy expenditure, which makes it so difficult to lose weight. Exposure to sunlight can also increase the production of nitric oxide. What is nitric oxide? It is a signaling molecule that can expand blood vessels and allow more blood to flow through the body. Nitric oxide is also involved in shuttling of glucose uptake in the cells and breaking down of fat. That is why getting nitric oxide is super important, and you can get it freely from going out in the sun. Getting some sun exposure for 5 to 20 minutes first thing in the morning can help lower body mass index, increase sleep duration and sleep timing, all of which have a massive impact on your weight management. One Russian study also found out that exposure to morning sunlight for 3 weeks has shown to reduce body fat and appetite in obese women. Now that you know how important it is to go outside, let's look at some hacks. So, first thing I want you to do is to spend at least 5 to 20 minutes outside first thing in the morning. Then, go outside at least for 5-minute walks multiple times during the day. If you're thinking you can get sunlight exposure through a window or a glass, that really doesn't count because that eliminates most of the UVB that is required to produce vitamin D. The next thing is for all you biohacker fans. Invest in a red light or an infrared light panel to mimic some of the benefits of sunlight right from your office or your home. With that, we have come to an end to today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video and see you tomorrow on Shiv's Weight Loss Challenge. Bye-bye.